Raindrops paint the glass outside. Thunder whispers lullabies. Memories touch I can't hide. In this quiet night that sighs, bookshelves dance with shadows play. Candles flicker, stories told. Lonely heart in twilight stay. Youthful dreams in folds of hold. Remember the laughter faded. Time's echo soft and shaded. Crackling fire and whispered dreams. Life's not always what it seems. Photos framed in hues of gold. Songs that sang of days so sweet. Echoes now of tales retold. Chasing rhythms of our heartbeat. Listen close to rain soft cry. Listen close to yesterdays. Find the beauty in goodbye. Lost in love's old maze. Remember the laughter faded. Time's echo soft and shaded. Crackling fire and whispered dreams. Life's not always what it seems. Photos framed in hues of gold. Songs that sang of days so sweet.